Hello, in this video, let us talk about how to label the right triangle. So the right triangle has corners, and the corners are named vertices. So here is the picture of the triangle with the vertices. Each vertex is usually labeled using the uppercase English letter. So each one of these red dots is the vertex. Then we have sides, and the sides are usually labeled using the lowercase English letters that are the opposite of the vertex. So if the vertex is A, then the opposite side of it is called lowercase a. If the vertex is B, then the side opposite of it is lowercase b, and the side opposite of the vertex C is the lowercase c. Then there is three ways to name the angles, and the first one and the most common way to label it is using the same uppercase letters as the vertex that makes it. So the vertex that makes angle A, the angle also is going to be called A. If the vertex is named B, then the angle that it makes is also called B, and the angle C is connected to the vertex C. The other way is using the XYZ instead of ABC, and this is the way that we will be using often. More often would be used case number 2 than the case number 1. The last possibility is more international. The first two are more used in United States. The last one is more frequent in Europe and other countries. And here we use the Greek, lowercase Greek letters to name the angles. The angle next to the vertex A is called alpha. The angle next to the vertex B is beta. And the angle next to the vertex C is gamma. So if we are looking at some textbooks or videos online, we might run into this version if it didn't come from the United States. But most likely we will be using this or this. Now, how do we name the sides besides just ABC? Well, the longest side is always going to be opposite of the right angle because that's our biggest angle. So it will open to the longest side, and the longest side is called hypotenuse. Now the other two sides are called legs, but to tell the legs apart, we have to name them based on their proximity to one of the other two angles. So if we are interested in the angle X here, then the closest side to it is going to be called adjacent, and the furthest away, the opposite, is called the opposite. Or if instead of this angle we're interested in this angle, then these two legs are switched. So if we're interested in the Y here, then the closest side to the angle Y is adjacent. So now A becomes adjacent and B is the opposite. And this is the common way to label the triangle. We will most of the time spend with this triangle, but sometimes especially in physics, we will be using this version more than this. But that's how to label a triangle and how to name all the sides, the angles, and the vertices. If you have any questions on anything, please let me know. Thank you for your time. Take care.